how to lower blood pressure. So when you have high blood pressure, understand why. It's a poor kidney filtration. When your kidneys can't filter out waste, there's a buildup of the waste. There's pressure buildup as well. Also, your adrenals control your kidneys. So when you have blood pressure issues, you have an adrenal and kidney problem. You see the word adrenal. Well, the word means top. Renal means kidney. So adrenal means top of kidneys. So they control your kidneys. So when you have a blood pressure problem, be it low or high, it's going to be the adrenals and the kidneys. Okay, these are not working properly because you have mucus that's affecting the function of these glands. Okay, organ and glands. So you need to cleanse. Jump on a 30-day diet grip only diet. That's what I would do, and I would use the 2 different kidney formulas: a kidney tea, and adrenal gland tincture, a bowel strength tincture to clean the bowels. Very important. I would also use lymphatic herbs and herbs to focus on blood pressure directly. Herbs like snake root herb is fantastic for blood pressure.